blue one. Yeah, you can do it. Go the other side. Go to the other side.
Beef ba yan? Beef steak. Steak. Beef steak. Beef steak. Ito lang silang serving spoon mo.
Video lang yan, video.
Okay. Straight lang. Ito. Yung kailangan. Maraming mataba. Si mama
Si mama yan, lagi.
Hindi yan mawawala.
Okay na, kain na kayo, ma.
Ito dito, ito yung mga sausawan nito.
Footage dito. I don't know how. Tito is the best. He's an expert. Ah.
You need to swallow your food. Oh, big mouth. There you go.
Hanapin to yan.
Pusin mo na to. Para matapos niya.